CHS, I'm Sham.
And I'm Juliet, and this is Columbia Cougar News. Attention seniors and senior parents and guardians. The Columbia High School Scholarship Fund will distribute scholarship applications outside the main office all this week from 1 to 3:30 p.m. Please stop by their table to get more information and to pick up an application. Trustees will be there to answer your questions and assist in any way they can. You may also pick up an application in the Counseling Center starting Monday, March 13th. In addition, applications can be filled out online and printed from their website.
This Friday, the Something Wrong Preview Assembly will be held during a Period 3 schedule, and the musical will premiere Friday night at 7:30 p.m. The show will also take the stage on Saturday at 7:30 p.m. and on Sunday at 2 p.m. To purchase your tickets, you can scan the QR code you see on the screen.
Also this Friday, the Open Gym program is starting up and will be held the second Friday of each month through June. It will be held after school from 4 to 7 p.m. in the main gym. Open Gym is a program geared towards giving kids a safe place for open recreation with food and fun. For more information, you can call the number you see on the screen.
Alright CHS, hold on to your hats because it's about to get highly fashionable. We are so excited to announce the return of Project Runway CCN. Squeals excitedly.
Welcome back to another edition of Project Runway CCN.
Yeah!
Alright, for this episode, each team is going to have one roll of tinfoil, which they're going to use to make an extravagant outfit. Let's go meet our teams. Do you guys want to introduce yourselves?
Yeah, we're Team Nosism.
What does that mean, Ross?
Yeah.
We're Team Nosism. Okay. This is our second team. What do you guys call yourselves?
The lads! No! The lads.
These are the lads. You guys are going to have 15 minutes. 3, 2, 1!
Okay.
Is this like a pirate theme you've got? Sort of?
No, and it's very offensive that you said that.
You're that, and then we're on this side too.
Ross, stop moving!
You're a horrible model!
Oh, that's cute. I love that.
Look at the back, it's a corset top.
Let me see.
It's a corset.
Oh, wow.
Keep Turner, wake up.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
It's the final countdown. Lower.
Lame.
Yeah, there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're gonna have to tinfoil it around his neck.
We're using all the tape. I don't know.
Ross, models don't speak.
I have a plan. A plan to save this team.
30 seconds. It won't stay! The tape is not taping!
Oh, trust me. We're gonna sell it.
3, 2, 1. Hands up.
I vote their team goes first.
All right, we're moving on to our runway walk. Here we have our judges, Jamie and Juliet. They're gonna grade them on a scale from 1 to 10. Also, Cooper's a judge.
Minus points for song choice.
No, don't take me away! Don't take me away! Oh my god! Okay. It was a metaphor for the church and what they do to our generation.
All right.
That brought tears to my eyes.
Yeah, Rob.
I feel like
We're not gonna be able to play.
All right.
Careful, folks.
Awesome. Thank you, everyone, for tuning into another episode of Project Runway. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Okay, got it.
Today at 6 p.m., a webinar titled A Safe Space, Men's Mental Health, will be held in the Black Box Theater. The webinar will explore the signs, symptoms, and possible treatments of anxiety and depression in men.
The Yearbook Club is collecting photos for grade memories. Any student could send in photos of you and your friends. Please send your photos to the email or the link you see on the screen.
Attention Class of 23, this is your last chance to purchase our Class of 23 senior merchandise this year. T-shirts, sweatshirts, and hoodies are being sold. Just go to our Instagram page at Columbia Class of 23 to access the order link. All profits will go towards our prom funds and will help lower ticket costs. The sale closes March 29th.
Have you ever wondered what's inside CHS? Well, I have spectacular news for you. We're so proud to announce our very first episode of Inside CHS.
Do you support the people of CCN announcing stuff for Columbia?
Sadly, I don't.
Yo, excuse me. What's your favorite class to skip in Columbia?
Favorite class to skip? Probably science. Any science. Because of all the tech issues that make it a pain in the every time it comes on.
What's up? Do you guys think Alex James is the cutest member of Columbia Cougar News?
Yes. No.
Damn.
What's your meaning in life?
My meaning in life. What's my meaning in life?
Yo, what's your favorite class to skip?
I'd say my favorite class to skip is anatomy class.
Why is that?
I don't know. It's just a good class to skip.
I agree with you.
For real. Alex James is so cute. Oh my god.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Daniel from CCN, and today we're going to see how long it will take for security to catch me skipping class. Is there a reason why you're trying to rinse up people?
Yo, bro.
Those are all of your announcements for this week's CHS. I'm Juliet.
And I'm Sham. Remember, teachers, club advisors, and team captains, if you have an announcement that you want to have read on our show, make sure you email it to Mr. Cam.
Have a great week, everyone, and be sure to tune in next Monday at the top of second period for another episode of CCN.
And check out the CCN YouTube channel for more great content at Columbia Cougar News.
Okay.